Alright, here's the alternator rotor on the bench, and this is the inner shaft that the outer rotor is pressed onto. And if you look closely, you can see all these dimples where somebody has center punched it or punched on it, trying to tighten this up inside the rotor body. I'm going to flip it over, and here, if you look at all these cut marks all around here and here and here and here and here, this is where somebody has tried to lock the inner sleeve to the rotor. In other words, somebody else found this and tried to fix it, and it didn't work. Alright, I'm going to see about getting a new or newer alternator rotor.